Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Geeky Fussy. How are you guys doing? I hope everyone are fine. Welcome back to my channel. In case if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the like button, share it, subscribe it, and do hit the bell notification for the latest videos. So today I'm going to unbox the Honor X9. It is one of the latest mid-range from Honor. It's a 5G phone. So without wasting any time, let's unbox the device and I will give you my first impression on the device, and do watch the video till the end for my opinion about the device. So don't forget to watch the video till the end. Let's begin. This is the box content of the device. You have a silicone case, a decent quality silicone case. You have the 66 watt charger. It's called Honor Supercharge. You have a type C to type A cable, and this is the neat thing, you have a 3.5 mm jack to type C, and of course you have the type C type headphones, which is a rare inclusion in smartphones these days. So let's get into the phone. So guys, this is the device. As you can see, it's a titanium silver color. You do have the black color option also available. I do like this design. It has a shout out loud feel to the design, and it helps in standing out of the crowd. If you see on the right hand side, you have the the power button, which also act as a fingerprint scanner, and the volume rocker key. On the left hand side, it's simple, there's nothing. On the top end, you'll see that there's a secondary mic noise cancellation, and the earpiece, if you notice, it's slightly tilted. So this is where the earpiece is located. On the lower part, you have the SIM tray, you have the type C USB and a single firing speaker. Now when you go to the display, it's a 6.81 inch display, and it's a IPS type display with a 120 Hz refresh rate. And the camera, if you look closely, it's a triple camera setup, the primary being a 48 megapixel. So guys, let's boot up the device. One more thing before I do the setup, let's check the SIM tray. Okay, so this is only a dual SIM setup, so no possibility of an expansion slot. So once I'll boot up the device, and you can just have an overview configuration of the device, and then let's meet up the other part of the. When I set up the device, it came Android 11 out of the box, which is one of the negative aspect, I would say, because as you know that Android 12 is already a few months past, already launched, and it's almost in most of the devices also have been upgraded to Android 12, and this coming out of Android 11, it's a disappointing. Apart from that, there was some bloatwares installed, like the TikTok, you have the Netflix, booking.com, KY. So bloatwares are there, and yes, you have the option to uninstall it. When we come to the processing part of the device is powered by the Snapdragon 695 processor. It's a 5G based processor based on 6 nanometer. This processor, I would say, it is not best in the market, but it's a quite capable processor. I have tested several devices with this processor, and going by the Antutu benchmark, you can see that the score of Antutu benchmark is 3,97,688. Going by the score, it's a fairly decent processor, and it has a good performance given for the price bracket. And if you see the single scoring or the Geek benchmark, the single score came out 585 with a multi-core of 1706, And if you compare it with some devices, it stands above the Poco F3 NFC, which was launched last year, which was based on Qualcomm 732 processor. So this is about the processor. Now the device which I am running, it's a 8 GB 256 configuration. The 8 GB is the standard RAM available on this device. You have only the memory option, either you want to opt for the 128 GB or the 256 GB. Coming to the display part, you can see it's a 6.81 inch IPS LCD display. It's a 120 Hz refresh rate with the options to adjust as per your preference, whether you need a dynamic or you need to be on continuous 120 Hz refresh. It has a punch hole display camera, so it looks a premium feeling with minimum bezel on and with a very small chin, but the chin is the thicker part of the display. Other than that, if you see the other three parts, it's all very slim bezels, giving a premium feel to the device. When it comes to the gaming, as you can see, I had played the Call of Duty and the settings were on high, even the frame rate was on high. The the game performed good. I did not face any of issues with the game. Even the phone temperature was under control, and there was no drop in frame rates. Now when you come to the sound, as you can see here, the sound, it's a decent firing speaker. When it comes to the display, it do support worldwide L1 support, so Amazon Prime videos and Netflix can be played on the full HD, that is 1080p. Even on the YouTube, if you see that the settings up to 1080p is supported, and the viewing angles were fine. I did not face any such issues, and even when it comes to the sunlight legibility, the device performed good. I did not face any issues even when using the device in direct sunlight. When it comes to the camera, it's a triple camera setup. As you can see, the primary being a 48 megapixel. The other two are the 2 megapixel depth and a 2 megapixel macro. So nothing much great about the camera, but when it comes to the selfie camera, it is a 16 megapixel selfie camera. If you see that the camera interference, it's a standard camera interference typical for the Magic UI. You have several options. If you go to the more setting, you have the panorama, pro, time lapse. You have the dual view also. You have certain settings, and the video resolution, it's on maximum 1080p supported, and the frame rate can be only 30 frame per second. So let's click some self snaps. But I did notice that because of the placement of the camera, uh, unknowingly it is coming in between your fingers. So I will do click some snaps and post the pics. Even the Google Drive link will be provided. The battery part, it's a 4800 milliamp battery with a charging support of up to 66 watt. The charger is bundled with the phone, and 0 to 81% can be charged in 30 minutes as per claim of Honor. So in day-to-day use, easily the battery will last for more than a day. If you are a heavy user, you can expect 1 day performance, and if you are a light user, it can stretch up to 1.5 days. In this as per my testing, which I have been using the device past 2 days. Okay, so my final verdict on the device: it's a fairly powerful device from Honor, but there is 2 points to be noted. First thing, I have been noticing that Honor is not committed properly to its software updates. I have seen several issues even with this previous device, like the Honor 50, which was a premium phone from Honor, and still it's stuck on Android 11. So this is one place where Honor have to up its game if it wants to survive the competition. Otherwise, then it will be a story of LG, where they is to not provide proper software updates, timely software updates. Second thing, this Honor X9 is having software issue, especially when it comes to the RAM management. The RAM is acting very aggressively. I did even set it on performance mode, but still same issue is consistent. In case you are browsing from one app to another app, you jump, and immediately when you jump back to the other app, you see that your app is getting refreshed. So even though it's having an 8 GB RAM, the RAM is not holding the app. So it's mostly a software related issues which Honor needs to address it immediately. Even I noticed it while using the navigation, that after a certain time, even the navigation used to get restart. I mean, the app used to get killed. So these things Honor have to take care of it immediately. Apart from that, it's a fairly decent device. If you want to go for it, I would say you can go for it, but do note that the RAM management issues, hope it gets cleared through a software update very soon. So guys, thank you for watching the video, and in case if you haven't subscribed it, do it now. Subscribe to my channel, like my video, share it, and keep supporting me. And more devices are coming. I have ordered 2 devices from India now currently, which is on the way. One is already available, another 2 devices are on the way. So very soon some unboxing I have been lined. So hit the like button, share it, subscribe it, and thank you for watching my videos. Take care.